Alright. Dilation. So, in dilation, I wrote the definition real quick in case you can't read my terrible handwriting. It says manipulation of the size of some object through scale factors. And basically, you just pick out this word right here. Factors, meaning we'll be multiplying by something. And then scale, remember the maps when you're growing up and you got this little thing in the corner. And it's all like 1 mile. Right? And then, you would take the little scale factor. You'd be like, okay, so 1, 2, 3 miles to grandmama's house, right? So basically, let's just get right into it. Let's try to draw a circle with a radius of 1. That's looking pretty perfect, I think. Alright, so what we'll do is we're going to dilate this, and we're gonna call the origin here the center of our dilation, which just basically means that's where we're gonna blow it up, because when I was teaching the young folks, I was like, you know what, this is how we deal with this, right? Dilations, when they get bigger, just think of it like an explosion. So let's say our scale factor was 2. I'll just put scale factor 2. So first of all, what we should notice is that because this is greater than 1, we know that this shape is going to get bigger. If the scale factor was a half, guess what happens? Right, it gets smaller by a half. Okay, so if we think about it like this real quick, we just go, if it's 1 unit from the origin to here, okay, and our scale factor is 2, where do you think this is going to go, right? It's 1 unit, right? We talked about factors, multiplication by the scale, which is 2. So basically, if we were to give this point its coordinate, right? It's 0, 1. So what if we come over here, we just write 0, 1, and we multiply it by 2, right? That'd be 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 0 is 0, and look, that's our new coordinate. So 0 is on the y-axis here, and then we're just gonna go up 1, 2, boom, here it is. That's our new spot, and because it's around the origin, it's very easy to do the rest of them, because we just count out 1. Well, what's 1 times 2? Well, it's 2. We count out 1. What's 1 times 2? It's 2. What's 1 times 2 is 2. So now we have this. This is our new circle after dilating it. And real quick, let's say we had a square, and this is our point of dilation, and the scale factor was a half, right? So if you think about it, here's your dilation point, 1, 2, right? Well, what's 2 times a half? It's half, right? So I'm sorry, it's 1. So instead of here, we're gonna dilate inside 1, right? So do the next one. It's 1, 2. 2 times a half is 1. So we're gonna bring it back here. Some math rules. We already know this is a square, so we don't have to do anything else. That's the kind of fun of logic in geometry, is once you know stuff, you can just do it. And so that would be like your dilation if your scale factor was less than 1. That was rough. Enjoy yourself. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And let's see. If you want me to do any other problems or help you with homework or any kind of hard problems, let me know.